All right, hey guys, I'll show you how to do this color wheel. This is the neutralizing color wheel. We're creating neutrals. And for those of you who are doing this at home because you're stuck at home right now, just do this with crayons, and that's the best we can do. Those of us who have our oil pastels, let's get them out. Okay, so we have a color wheel, and I'm going to need you to be smart about this one, you guys. I need you to follow the letters. Okay, so O is going to stand for orange. RO is red orange, R is red, RV is red violet, okay? Look, blue is right there, green, blue, green. You could do this, okay? So this outer wheel is just going to be our pure colors. Like, I'm going to take red right there. Okay, fill that in. I'm going to take yellow. Okay, orange. Yay. Okay, yellow, orange. We'll do here. So we're just doing our basic color wheel along the outside. Okay, and I'm going quickly because I have a little time limit on this video. So you just do the outer part, the basic color wheel, okay? Now it comes to all these little steps in here. We're going to be neutralizing our colors step by step, and I'll show you how to do that. Now, the best way to neutralize a color is to not use black, okay? Black just gets rid of the color. Use complementary colors, opposite colors, to kind of dull the color down and to neutralize it. And it'll make sense once I actually start showing you how to do this, okay? So I'm going to do red since I already have it here. And the best way to tone it down to dull it down to neutralize it, it's to use the opposite color, the complementary color, which is green. So I'm going to get my green, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the green and I mix it into the red so that it gets more and more dull as it goes towards the center of the wheel. And you'll see as it gets more, it'll get a little darker, a little duller each time till a point where it actually kind of makes like brown or black in the center, okay? So this first one, we very light. I just want to dull it down just a tiny bit. So I'm just putting ever so lightly a little bit of green, okay? And you'll see right away that starts to make a difference. It starts to make the red not so vibrant anymore. It makes it a little darker. See that? And again, you could just do this with crayons if you're stuck at home. Okay, the next step, I'm going to put a little bit more green this time and neutralize it and dull it down a bit more. Okay, and you'll see a big difference here with a little bit more green. There you go. See, it's getting darker and a little duller. The red is kind of going away. And then a little bit more green this time. Yeah. I mix in the red on top. Okay. It's getting darker and darker. And then this time I'm really going to go for it. I'm going to put a lot of green in there. A lot. Okay. And the red on top. And it almost starts to look brown. Just really dull. It goes from really pure red and the saturation goes down every single time. It gets duller and duller. I'll do another one. Okay, I got orange and I'll do the blue. Okay, for the blue, don't use the ice blue. Put that away. Use the regular blue. Okay, so orange is pure right there. This first step, I'm just going to very slightly use a little bit of blue. Okay, and you'll see right away, especially with this orange. There we go. It darkens, it dulls down. And I really want a gradual change from step to step. A little bit more. Okay. Yep, got even darker this time. More dulled down. Even more blue this time. Okay. And you want it to get darker and darker and duller and duller. Go with a lot of blue this time. It's really going to dull out the orange. Can't even see the orange anymore. It's just turned to brown. Okay. So be very careful. Make sure you're just making it gradual change from step to step. I'm going to tell you right now, the tertiary colors like yellow, orange, blue, violet, those are going to be trickier because for us in class, we don't have a violet oil pastel. We just have blue and red. So it's going to take you a little bit longer time to mix, for example, blue, violet.